break for one day. We're back on the road, going to a beautiful farm today. Ooh, oh. A bit more bumpy today. Every farm is a disaster with the dogs. I just learned it doesn't help to go very fast and start screaming. Better just stand still and wait. Diet. Are you on a diet?
Can I try? Diet? Why diet?
This is Heino's ice cream.
Can I try? Diet. Yeah, you can try it. It's ice cream. Very good.
This is where we are going. Fish, horses, cows, dogs. Gravel.
Hey, we arrived safely in the farm. It's super hot.
It's beautiful.
Yes.
Por 5 anos eles acompanham.
Avocado.